name's Donnie Jones. I'm from Hendersonville, North Carolina. It's a small town where you know most everybody, and that's what I like the most about it. When I was coaching 10-year-olds, I'd noticed some special needs kids watching their siblings play, and it just kind of came to me that there wasn't a league around here that they could play in. And now we're over 100 players from 5 different counties. We don't have outs, we don't have strikes, you just get out there to have fun. Everybody wins.
Avery has cerebral palsy, and a friend of ours recommended the special needs baseball league to us. We started playing when he was 3, and we used to have to help him hit the ball and run the bases. Now he's smacking the ball by himself and running around the bases.
Life was very boring before special needs baseball.
Yeah! Very, 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 very boring.
Wow. Donnie is one of the most giving souls that you'll ever meet. Nobody comes out here and has a bad time, and it's because of Donnie.
The parents thank me every day that I see them. Kind of embarrassing because I'm not really doing all that much. Just seeing the excitement and the joy they have of getting to do it. That makes all the work worth it. What they deal with every day is unreal. They're my heroes. That's what this program's all about, just letting kids be kids, and I get to be a kid with them.